today I got a message that my package got here from Supreme, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what else y'all would like to see. We low-key went on live and y'all said y'all wanted a review for this piece, and hey, I'm like Santa in this bitch. We about to bring y'all what y'all want like it's Christmas, you feel me? Go ahead and sign up for my email list on NORI.co. Once we get to 150 to 200 people on that list, I'm gonna go ahead and make an announcement video for when I'm releasing my brand. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Low-key, I haven't even bought shit since week 1. Obviously comes with the box logo, nothing new. I wish they would have had like a special BOGO or some shit. That would have been so cool. Or a special sticker in general. In here we got the Tamagotchi that Supreme released this previous week. I actually didn't know this was made by Bandai. Yu-Gi-Oh was made by Bandai as well. I might be tripping, bro. I'm not gonna lie. The Supreme box logo on the box. I honestly wish I could keep it in the box. We got the Supreme box logo on the actual Tamagotchi. It's looking pretty clean, bro. Tamagotchi logo right down here. The back is pretty much in a language foreign to me, so I'm not really gonna talk about it too much. This is what we got, bro. Tamagotchi Supreme. I decided to get it in the black colorway, and I would be lying if I said that I wasn't about to make a TikTok on this shit, so I want to start filming it before I break the box open. So hold up. A week ago, I ordered this Tamagotchi from Supreme, and it finally came in the mail, so I want to go ahead and show y'all what this is like in person. Open up the little wrapper, ping. I don't really want to break through it because I like the box, actually, so once I'm done playing with it, whenever I end up not playing with it no more, I'll probably put it back in the box, to be honest. Right here we got the Tamagotchi in all its glory. It's actually pretty small, bro. I thought it would be way bigger. It's kind of crazy because when you're a kid, you feel like things are so fucking huge, and what I remember is this being bigger back in the day. This shit is literally small. And there goes the Tamagotchi. It's crazy, bro. I remember this shit being bigger. Maybe I'm just tripping. This is it right here. I don't know when he's gonna come out that egg, but shit. Do I gotta press a button or something? Homie is deadass being born right now, bro. I gotta set the time up and everything. Give me a second, bro. So does this bring you guys nostalgia or what? Bro, how the hell do I get this shit to hatch out the egg? Like, I don't get what's going on right now. Do I gotta move it, shake, wait? Like, what's going on, bro? What's going on? Like, when you have complete, Tamagotchi character will hatch in 5 minutes. So I gotta wait, I gotta wait, I gotta wait, I gotta wait. We'll be back, all right?
5 minutes later.
My little dude was born, bro. So it's official, bro. I'm a whole Tamagotchi father, bro. My little dude man's hatched. He's out the egg, and he was actually playing some games with me. I don't know what he's up to. I'm gonna try to figure this out. It's currently 5:25, and he's been alive for like, what, 5 minutes? He low-key got mad at me and everything already, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on. If y'all know how to run this, let me know in the chat, bro, because I really don't know what the fuck is going on. He is tight. Let's give him a little snack. Let's give him a little meal or whatever. Boom. Shut up. Homie weighs 5 ounces. He need to eat more, bruh. He don't got no discipline neither. Like, bro is out here just doing his own thing. He's hungry. He's not happy. Bro, he's depressed. Get your shit together, bro. Let's give him some food. Give him a whole meal. Come on, eat some shit. Give him a little snack too, bro. Go ahead, eat. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't know what the hell is going on. Oh, he's tight. He's tight. Yeah, that's pretty much the Tamagotchi. If y'all are interested in picking it up, it's kind of nostalgic, the whole vibe and everything, but I feel like games now are so improved that this is almost ancient. So I guess it's kind of cool to see, kind of cool to relive if you had one of these as a child. To be honest, I never actually had one. I knew somebody that did, and I played with it here and there, but I was so small that I don't even remember what the f was going on. 1, 2, like I said earlier, I feel like this used to be bigger back in the day, or maybe my hands were smaller so it felt bigger. It's so weird, bro, to kind of have this in my hand again. These are the little things from Supreme that actually gets me excited because it's something different, bro. It's not the same shit we always get. It's not a new knife. It's not a toilet wrench. Like, I gotta check on them, bro. I gotta go. But yeah, it's not a wrench, it's not a knife, it's something different, something nostalgic. If y'all know me and y'all follow my NORI archives, y'all know that I'm all about the nostalgia, so this is right up my alley. But if y'all do want to follow into everything that I have going on, follow my Instagram. I'm actually gonna be more active on TikTok. I'm gonna post a TikTok with this, with some sneakers that I recently picked up. I'm going crazy on every platform, so make sure y'all like, subscribe, because we about to be everywhere, bro. And I appreciate y'all more than life. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Thank y'all for always coming through, showing love, supporting, leaving the like, commenting below. All that shit means more than you would imagine. Damn, you just be yelling at me like, bro, I'm working right now. Thank y'all for subscribing. Whenever y'all hit that red button, bro, that shit tickles my heart, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That shit tickles right here, bro. For real. But I appreciate y'all, bro. I hope you have a great rest of your day, morning, whenever you're watching. Go spend some time with your loved ones, because we don't know how much time we have left. And hey, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. Me and homie gotta go, bro. I'm about to give little dude a bath or something. I don't know what he got going on, but he's over here stressing me out, bro. Like, I gotta go edit and shit, and he just wanna go talk. Like, nah. If y'all wanna see a 24 hours of me playing with this shit, let me know in the comments, bro. I'll make that shit happen for y'all. We gonna turn him from a baby to a grown-ass man. If y'all like the video, and let me know in the comments. 24 hours playing with my supreme Tamagotchi. I can make that happen, bro.